Most contractors assume there is no real alternative once they hear about enterprise construction software. That assumption is where many teams go wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. Procore is powerful, but in 2026 it is not the only option, and for many companies, it is not even the best fit. In this video, you'll learn the best Procore alternatives in 2026, what each one does well, and how to choose the right platform for your construction business. Let's start with why people even look for alternatives. Procore is built for large-scale construction operations. A project manager like Alex can use it to manage RFIs, budgets, schedules, drawings, and communication across multiple job sites. But here's the problem. That level of complexity can be too much for smaller or mid-sized contractors. So let's break down the strongest alternatives. First, Buildertrend. Buildertrend is one of the most popular options for residential contractors. A builder like Jake can manage scheduling, client communication, and project updates in one simple system. It is designed for ease of use, not enterprise complexity. This makes it ideal for remodelers and home builders who want speed and clarity without heavy setup. Now here's where it gets interesting. Buildertrend wins on simplicity, but it does not match Procore when it comes to large-scale project coordination or advanced construction workflows. Next is Jobber. Jobber is designed more for service-based contractors like HVAC, cleaning, or maintenance companies. It helps teams manage scheduling, invoicing, and customer communication. It is not a direct competitor to Procore, but for small field service businesses, it is often a better fit because it is lightweight and easy to adopt. Another strong option is FieldWire. FieldWire focuses heavily on field coordination and task management. A site supervisor can use it to track tasks, share drawings, and manage punch lists in real time. It is especially useful for teams that need strong on-site communication without full enterprise overhead. Now let's connect the dots. Procore is built for full construction lifecycle management at scale. Buildertrend is built for residential builders who want simplicity and client communication. Jobber is built for service contractors managing daily fieldwork. FieldWire is built for on-site coordination and task execution. Now here's the key insight most contractors miss. The best software is not the most powerful one. It is the one that matches your actual workflow. So how do you choose? If you are managing large commercial projects with multiple stakeholders, Procore still leads. But if your work is residential, service-based, or field-focused, alternatives like Buildertrend, Jobber, or FieldWire can save you time and reduce complexity. The biggest mistake contractors make is choosing software based on reputation instead of daily usability. That usually leads to wasted time and poor adoption across teams. So the real takeaway is simple. Procore is the enterprise standard, but it is not the universal answer. The best alternative depends entirely on how your crew actually works on a daily basis. If this helped you understand your options better, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software breakdowns like this.